Oh, Lord, help me. Back up, listen. Are you alive?
Yeah. Where did it go? It's all on the ground.
I heard it hit the ground, but it was a dud.
That's just a trick.
No, because it says guaranteed, and I got it on video. Thank you, Lord. Let's try it again. That one worked. Hold on, babe. Don't light that one yet.
That one.
Well,
Right over there.
so we are doing the. Which ones are we doing now? These? These are the ones we are doing now, and the first one was a dud.
The second one was not. It was good.
All right. I just wanted to get that, babe. What was that? Hee. And a partridge in a pear tree.
Keep on lit. They go out and having a really hard time.
Listen, what you got?
Sparkler.
What year is this?
2019.
Oh, look, let's look. Oh, no. Holy smoly. Woo!
Can't light a burnt one, baby, when they can't relight on. Dang it.
Like, we're trying to do the big one, right?
When they burn out, baby.
I figure we'll save the rest of sparklers for Shy and Caden and you when you guys get together. Here it goes, guys. Woohoo!
Two more.
Yep.
Daddy, that second one other one knocked it down. Yeah.
It's like boom.
Boom!
Sucker. Oh. Back up, Daddy. Here we go. Holy moly, rackaroli.
That other one knocked it down too.
Huh?
They keep knocking it down.
I know it.
Hey, guess what, YouTube? The balls keep knocking the fireworks thing down.
They're like blasting out of there with TNT.
They're really strong, YouTube. Here we
Save
go.
the best for last. Here we go, Sally. Uh-oh. Here we go.
Back up, Daddy. Wow!
Woo! Woo! 2018! 2018, Daddy! Woo! This is going to be the best year ever. Like, God is going to bestow, just put so many blessings on us and in our life. We're going to be financially set and stable with a car that is beautiful and a house that is a home, and we're just going to be a normal, happy family
I'm the man.
spreads the word
I'm the man.
and spreads the gospel and the word and the love of Jesus Christ to others, because that's what we do.
Hey, YouTube, guess what? We're probably going to have a Jeep. A pretty Jeep.
Woo!
And it's going to be beautiful. Like, whatever color, like a dark pink, a dark purple.
All right, my hands are frozen to the
Pretty.
phone.
Bye!
If you would like to see more of our crazy life, you can hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and you will get notified. Comment below, and if you would like to see us do any kind of challenges or anything like that, any reviews, we are just now getting started and would love to do it. Happy New Year, you guys. God bless you and your families, and it's going to be a fabulous year.
You too.
Woo! 2018!
You too. I've made a Princess Alyssa video couple, and if you want to go see them, type in Princess Alyssa, and you can watch all the videos that we made.
We love you, you guys. Thank you so much. We hope you like our videos. We hope that you will support us in growing and fulfilling something that started out as a hobby, and I've really come to enjoy myself. Still trying to figure out everything on the odds and ends and just feeling my way through it by myself, learning. So just bear with us on that. All right? Thank you. You guys have a great day, night, New Year, and we'll see you tomorrow. Mommy and Alyssa out.